สวัสดีครับ The next set of 7 consonants are the 7 common low class sonorants. Alright, sonorants. Sonorants are consonants that are nasals, liquids, and glides. Alright, it's a kind of like a technical term, but what they are is actually they can be pronounced like very long. Like you can keep on enunciating them when you say them. For example, we can say singing, right? We can say for the ngongu, right? The ngo sound. We can say like singing, right? We can extend the sound. Same for the no, right? Like teen, right? We can extend like indefinitely. Same for the more, team. Same for the yaw. Same for the yaw, like high, right? This one is no. This one also, this one is like ow, So this one in English, for example, you can say like ear, right? Here you can say like tell. This one is like how. You can like just keep on pronouncing the sound. So these are the sonorants. They are contrasted with the obstruents. So we take a sneak peek, right? Obstruents such as these, right? Like k. We cannot say like for example the word book. We cannot say like book, right? Book, and then that's all. We cannot really pronounce it indefinitely. All right. Similarly, we cannot say like boot, right? Plus all the sounds, the extension of the sounds, right? Over here, they are all like very smooth, like e, r, l, w, right? Anyway, let's learn how to write these 7 low class sonorants. So we have ngongu, right? Ngu means snake. Nonu, mama, yọยักษ์ รอเรือ ลอลิง and วอแหวน Alright, the meanings are given here. Let's try to write them all. Okay, so the first one is ngongu. How to write ngongu? So ngongu is like that, right? Start from the circle. Remember, if you see a circle, just start from it. So this is how you write ngongu. Circle, down and up. Circle, down and up. All right. If you write it small, you look like this. Okay. All right. This one, right? You can extend it if you want. Something like this. It could be okay. All right. This is ngongu. Next we have nonu. Right? Nonu. Start from the circle on top. Go down. Oops. Let me rewrite that. Start from the circle on top. Go down. Twist and turn. Curve and go up. This is nonu. Nonu. Let's try again. Circle. Go down. Twist and go up. This is nonu. If you're very small, you look like this. All right. Next, we have moma. Moma. It looks similar to nonu, but the difference is where the bottom circle is. So moma is like that. All right. Can you see the difference? The circle at the bottom is on the right or not nonu, but the circle on the left is moma. All right. Try again. Circle, go down, form a circle, and then just go up like that. All right. If you write it small, it look like this. So they look similar, right? So how can you like remember which is which? So one way to remember is in English, the order of the letters is like L, M, N, O, P, right? M is to the left of N is to the right of M. So for the moma, right, the circle at the bottom is on the left, but the circle on the right is for no, all right? That's how I remember. Next, we have Yo Yak. All right, the semi-vowel or the glide, Yo Yak. Start from the circle again. Go up like that, all right? So it seems like it's like that, right? But there's a kink over here. There's a kink over here. All right. If you write it small, you look like this. All right. If you write it small, you look like this. Yò Yak. All right. Next we have Rò Rưa. Rò Rưa. Rò Rưa. So start from the circle again. Go up and then like that. Rò Rưa. Again, go start from the circle at the bottom, go up and like that. So this looks like wavy hair, right? I know that it looks straight over here, but when you write it, you can write it this way also. All right, let's try again. Go up. Before reaching the top, you must bend first, and then you go up. All right, this is Rò Rưa. Take note that it occupies like 3 lines or 2 empty bars, okay? If you write it small, it look like this. All right, Rò Rưa. Next, we have Lo Ling. The L sound, right? Lo Ling. So start from the circle. All right. Okay. Start from the circle, go up to the middle and go back down, and then something like this. All right, Lo Ling. One more time. Start from the circle, go to the middle, and then do a nice cap like that. This is Lo Ling. If you write it small, you look like this. Start from the circle. Oops. Start from the circle, go down at the midpoint, and then like that. Okay, this looks a bit ugly. Let me try again. All right. Lo Ling. Last one is Wo Wan. Wo Wan. Wo Wan looks like this. All right. Wo Wan looks like this. It's like a Sara A, right? Sara A is like that, right? Sara A, but there's a circle at the bottom, right? And because there's a circle at the bottom, we start writing Wo Wan from the bottom. But when you write Sara A, we start from the top like that. We don't start like that. We don't write Sara A like that. All right. What is Wo Wan? What about writing it small? This is how you write it. Okay. Like that. If you compare Rò Rưa with Wo Wan, right? This part looks like Wo Wan also, right? But there's a wavy cap over here. All right. Wo Wan and then wavy cap. All right. That's the difference between Wo Wan and Rò Rưa. Okay. Now let's look at the 3 long monophthongs that we'll learn. So we have Sara A, Sara E, and Sara O. Okay, A, E, O. If you notice their positions, right, the consonants are in black while the vowels are in red. You notice that for A, E, and O, they're all written to the left of the consonant, correct? So let's try to write them all. So the first one is A, right? A, Sara A. So assuming this is the consonant, we write A like that. A looks like a musical note, right? Or you can call it a hockey stick also, a hockey stick. So one hockey stick is A. So for example, if I use your yak, correct? So the A is written to the left. Okay, this is ye. Okay. If I use like a ko kai, right? From the mid class. Ko kai and sara A. This thing is pronounced as ke, ko, a, ke. Okay. Technically, when you write it, right, you should write from left to right. That means that you write the vowels first. So just now I wrote your, yak, and ko kai first before writing the sara A, right? Actually, you shouldn't be doing that. Okay, but with practice, you'll know that, oh, I need to write the vowel first. Okay. So when I write, I'm supposed to write it this way, like I'm supposed to write it this way. All right. Next, the vowel A. The vowel A. Remember epsilon, the Greek letter? A, epsilon, aircon, right? If this is the consonant, this is the vowel A. It's just the double of A. So two hockey sticks, right? A. So if I want to write like a nonu and sara A, if I want to write this nonu sara A, right? Sara A, we write the sara A first, right? A and nonu later, like that. So this is ne. If I want to write le, if I want to write le, how do I write it? Write the sara A first. Okay, cut this away. Sara A. Okay, so this thing here is le. All right. Lastly, we have the sara O, correct? Sara O. If this is the consonant, this is the sara O. All right. So notice that it extends beyond the top line over here. All right. It's supposed to be extended. It's like the poplar. When you write it, when you write poplar, it's like that, right? It's also extending from the top line, right? So for example, if I say ngo, right? Ngo. If I want to write ngo, I write the sara O first, all right? And then the ngongu. Okay, make sure the relative height is like that. The relative height. Sorry, the bottom. All right. All right. Another example, ro, correct? Ro. You'll be, let's write it small. It'll be like this. Ro, this is pronounced as ro. This is ro, this is sara o. Okay. What about the word po? So these two, they all extend beyond the top line, right? So po will be written like this. Okay. Ideally, these two should be at the same height, something like this. Something like this. All right. Okay, so this is how you write sara A, and O. Before we do some reading practice, let us learn about the Thai tones.